Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a method that will help you create a large number of books on Amazon KDP very quickly. The method we'll be discussing in this video is exclusive, and you can find all the relevant links in the description below. If this is your first time watching the channel, I recommend subscribing so you don't miss out on the exclusive content we offer. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the details. The program we will be using in today's episode is Adobe InDesign. You can download it for free. The link is available in the description below. After clicking the link, this page will open. Scroll down and click the download button, then install it on your computer. After downloading the program, you need to download the helper scripts, which will speed up the book creation process. You'll find the link to these scripts in the video description below. And here are the scripts, as you can see. You'll find a folder named Images. This is where you should place the pictures you want to use to create your book. For example, if you want to create a coloring book, put the coloring images, which you got using AI tools or created by yourself, into this folder called Images. Go back to the main folder, then navigate here and type CMD. After that, type Python followed by the name of the script, which is renamer.py, and then press Enter. Now, if we go back to the Images folder, we'll see that the images have been numbered, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This means that image number 1 will be inserted first in the book, then image number 2, and so on. All of this happens very quickly with just one click. Next, go back to the main scripts folder, then copy the following scripts: the image insertion script, the text insertion script, and the script for deleting the inserted images. Open Adobe InDesign, which you downloaded from the link in the video description. The following interface will appear. All you need to do is click on Create New Project, and here, enter the dimensions of the book you want to create. Then click on Create. After clicking on Create, this interface will appear. As you can see, the process of creating books using the program is simple and fast. Select Window, then Utilities, and then Scripts. Open the User folder, right-click, and choose Reveal in Explorer. Then, paste the scripts you copied into this folder. Go to the Parent option and double-click on it. Then, select the Rectangle Frame tool and use it to define the area where you will place the images. Now, if we go to the book pages, we'll notice that all the pages have that same frame applied, which represents the area where the images will be placed. Now, press Shift plus Ctrl on your keyboard, then click on the frames you've added to select them. You need to select all the frames where you want to place the images. After selecting them, go back to the list of scripts you added. Select the image insertion script by double-clicking on it. A window will open. Choose the folder that contains the images after you've numbered them. Double-click on the folder that contains the images, and you'll immediately notice that all the images, without exception, will be inserted in order, without having to add them one by one manually. With this method, you can insert millions of images into the book very quickly. Now, we're going to explain how to insert text very quickly. First, select the Type tool and define the area where you want to add the text. Then, type the word Test. It's important to type this exact word, not any other. After that, choose the font, font size, and font color for this word. Since we wrote the word in the parent page, this means it will appear on every page of the book. Now, select these areas by holding down Ctrl plus Shift and clicking on them. After selecting the areas where you want to add text, go back to the scripts folder you downloaded. Open the text file named text.txt, and here, enter all the sentences you want to add to the pages of your book. For example, I'll write number 1 and number 2. Write each word or sentence you want to insert on a separate line, one below the other, then click Save. Go back to Adobe InDesign and select Scripts. Then, double-click on the text insertion script. Here, choose the .txt file that contains the texts you wrote, and they will be inserted into the book in the same order you entered them. And with this method, you'll speed up the process of creating your books for Amazon KDP. Once you've finished inserting all the texts and images, click on Export, and you'll have a ready-to-publish book that you can instantly upload to Amazon and start earning profits. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with new content.